Welcome to the Louvre. As the largest museum in the world, it boasts a stunning collection of over 380,000 artifacts, ranging from ancient Egyptian antiques to masterpieces of the Renaissance art. You'll find iconic pieces like the Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace. The museum spans over 650,000 square feet of exhibition space, showcasing everything from classical sculptures to French Revolution era paintings. Today we'll be taking you through a 5-hour condensed tour, highlighting key pieces that you must visit, providing tips on navigating this massive space. Because trust me, it's very easy to get lost or wander aimlessly. First things first, we highly recommend booking your tickets in advance, especially for a morning time slot. On our visit, we had our tickets at 9 a.m. right when the museum opened, and even at that early hour, there was a considerable line outside, but it moved relatively quickly. Mornings are generally less crowded, so it's the best time to start your journey. Once you're inside, you'll need to go through a security checkpoint, and after which you will descend through the escalators where you'll find a room with free lockers. This is a great place to store any of your bags and heavy belongings so you can explore the museum hands-free and enjoy the experience. Remember, it is a very large space and you'll be doing plenty of walking. Let's talk about the layout of the Louvre, because at a glance, the map can feel very daunting. The museum is divided into 3 main wings. The Denon Wing. This is probably the most famous wing and is home to the Mona Lisa, the Winged Victory of Samothrace, and the Coronation of Napoleon. This area is always bustling with visitors, as these are some of the most iconic pieces in the museum. The Richelieu Wing. Here you'll find the apartments of Napoleon III, an impressive sight. This wing also houses French paintings from the Middle Ages to the 19th century, including artworks from the reign of King Louis XIV. The Sully Wing. Located at the heart of the Louvre. This wing showcases artifacts from ancient Egypt, including Venus de Milo and the Great Sphinx. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these wings before diving in. The Louvre has over 400 rooms and 4 floors, so planning your route can make a big difference in maximizing your time and energy. We began our tour on the Denon Wing on the first floor. Our first stop was the Winged Victory of Samothrace, located at the top of the Grand Daru staircase. This majestic sculpture from the ancient Greece stands tall, welcoming visitors as they ascend. Make sure you pause to admire its grandeur before continuing on. From there, we strolled down the corridor towards the Salle d'Etat, room 711, home to the Mona Lisa. If you're visiting early in the day, you might get lucky with a smaller crowd around this world-famous painting. When we visited, there wasn't a line, just a small group of people eager to snap selfies and marveled at Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece. As you approach the Mona Lisa, take a moment to appreciate why this relatively small painting draws millions of visitors every year. There's something mysterious about her gaze, her half smile, that keeps people intrigued. Don't be afraid to linger around a little longer. Although this room tends to get busy, you'll want to savor the experience.
After visiting the Mona Lisa, make your way to the Coronation of Napoleon, which is just a few rooms over in the same wing. This massive painting by Jacques-Louis David depicts Napoleon's crowning himself emperor. The scale of this artwork is staggering, and its intricate details, like the facial expressions of those in the court, are worth studying closely. The Denon Wing is packed with historical paintings like this, so take your time and move through the galleries. Next, we venture to the Sully Wing, which is a must-see for anyone fascinated by ancient civilizations. Here, you'll encounter the Venus de Milo, one of the most celebrated sculptures of ancient Greece. Her timeless beauty has captivated audiences for centuries, and she's considered a symbol of classical beauty. The Sully Wing also houses some of the most important artifacts from ancient Egypt, including mummies, hieroglyphs, and the Great Sphinx. Walk through this wing, you'll get a deep sense of history, as many of the pieces date back thousands of years. Our tour concludes in the Richelieu Wing, where Napoleon III's apartment awaits. These lavishly decorated rooms offer a glimpse into the 19th century luxury. The opulent chandeliers, the gilded furniture, and the beautiful ceilings are simply breathtaking. This area feels like a step back in time to the era of French royalty. We hope you enjoy your visit to the Louvre. With a little planning and patience, it truly is an unforgettable experience. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.